Ever feel stressed, anxious, or just plain overwhelmed? Well, what if I told you there's a secret nerve in your body that can help you calm down almost instantly? It's called the vagus nerve, and it's basically your body's own reset button. This amazing nerve runs from your brain all the way down to your gut, connecting to most of your major organs. It's the superstar of your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the system that helps you rest and digest. When you activate your vagus nerve, you're telling your body it's time to chill out. So, how do you press this reset button? Here are 3 simple ways. First, deep, slow breathing. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly for a count of 6 or even 8. A longer exhale is key. Second, try humming, singing, or even gargling. Seriously, these vibrations stimulate the nerve endings in your throat. And third, cold exposure. A splash of cold water on your face or a quick cold shower can give your vagus nerve a powerful jolt. Try these simple tricks next time you feel stressed. They're free, easy, and can make a huge difference in your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips.